Hi, this is Bhuvana Rajaram for Fluently, and the English word that we'll be looking at in this video segment would be Fillip. It's spelled as F-I-L-L-I-P. The first time I came across this word, I thought it was someone's name, but funnily it isn't. On the contrary, it means giving a boost, giving a push, giving a stimulus, or being a catalyst for some initiative or task that is happening. For instance, you could say the employee motivation program, the employee rewards and recognition program that was introduced within the organization gave a big fillip to the employee performance. Or for instance, you could say the 100 on 100 marks that my son received in his exam was a big fillip to his passion for the subject. Or for instance, another example would be the concert that she gave the other day at the hall was a big fillip to her musical journey. So the next time when you want to talk about some particular activity that has given a good stimulus or given a good momentum to that particular activity, you could bring in this word and use that in that context. So the fillip is all about giving a boost. So something that has jump started because of this particular initiative or this particular task. So I hope you've gotten the gist of this meaning of this word fillip. So go ahead and try using this and see the difference that it makes. Stay in love with the English language, and I will be coming back to you with more words. Bye bye, take care.